Hey, now it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services. Let's talk about steam cleaning and mobile detailing. Let's get into it. Before I get started, don't forget to join the NewWave Facebook group. All right, let's get into it. Let's talk about steam cleaning. The steamer is one of the best tools that I have in my arsenal, if not the best. I'm not sure. It's between that and the air compressor. But the steamer, oh man, I love it. I mean, you can get up gum just like that, stains just like that, sticky residue, crayons just like that. Less than a minute, it's gone. The heat from the steamer just loosen up so much grease, gummy, sticky, grimy stuff. It just evaporates it. It's also a little PSI that comes out of the gun, so it's kind of like having a steam with air coming out of it. It's not a whole lot of PSI, but it's just enough to blow little things away. It's amazing, man. It's nothing like it. And you know, some people try to say that, you know, you can get by without an extractor, without a carpet machine, without a shampoo machine. With the steamer, in most cases you can. Carpet machine, a shampoo, or extractor has its own specific job. A steamer is just versatile. I mean, you can use the steamer on the carpets, the consoles, the steering wheel, the dashboard, upholstery. Just so many things you can use it on. And I mean, if you want to get one of those big industrial, those big commercial size steamers, I mean, you can clean the entire vehicle outside and inside. I mean, it's just, the first time I saw it, I knew I needed it. I mean, you could get them as low as $100, all the way up to $3,000-$4,000, just depending on what you want to use it for. I mean, it's getting to the point that I don't detail without it. I don't care what the package is. I'm using steam. And you'll be surprised. There's so many people in your area that's detailing that don't even know a steamer from mobile detailing exists. It's a lot of people out there, even with all the videos out there about it. You know, it's a lot of people out there detailing. They're not watching YouTube. They're not getting all this information. And so that's going to put you in a class all by yourself. When I first bought the steamer and I was coming across like gum and crayons and all, you know, just the stuff that I used to would kind of be like, that I knew it was going to take me a long time to get it out. When I got my hands on that steamer, it just gave me more confidence. Like, I was staring nasty vehicles in the face. Like, I didn't care. I was like, you know, it's pretty bad. I'm like, okay, I'm pretty sure I can get it with all these tools. I'm pretty sure that I can make it look new again. And that's what the steamer did for me. It boosted my confidence as far as doing nasty vehicles. So please like and subscribe if you like this video and want to see more like it. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can keep up with all the latest videos. I'm gonna be dropping more videos. I'm on another run. I'm back in my bag. So y'all show me some love. Shouts out to the NewWave. Peace.